Most pools have an end that is shallow enough for children to stand in, sometimes even shallow enough for toddlers. This can make for a fun place for your kids to stand and play. Many pools drop off quickly to a deep end, but some pools have a very gradual slope to a deeper part of the pool. This can be a tricky situation for children who are not capable swimmers. I've seen capable swimmers get stuck between standing and swimming when the pool floor is just a bit too deep for them to properly stand. Some kids hop on one foot trying to keep their mouth above water, sometimes moving them to a deeper part of the pool. Other children will do nothing, just float vertically in the drowning position with their mouth underwater. Be cautious of these areas. Additionally, be cautious of suction drains and be sure there are proper covers on them. These drains can be strong and can hold a child under the water, especially by loose clothing or hair if it's near the drain. If your child is ever missing and there's a pool nearby, always look in the pool first. Seconds matter when it comes to drowning.